Walking the concrete buildings for the lush green mountains is as mesmerizing as the blossoms and the fruits that are growing on the thermocol boxes and broken pots laying there on the terrace garden in our home. I totally admire how fruits can grow out of nowhere or anywhere. Some shades from the morning sun does mesmerize me as well. After a brief session outdoor, I return to my natural habitat. Today I will be following my skincare routine. I am putting on the face serum and then I will be putting on the sunscreen. Even though I do not go out every day, but this is what I follow, and I think it's really important to take care of the skin. The next step is to put some moisturizer, and I will also link down in the description what I have put on. I also love to put some of the face mist and little bit of hair cream just to make the vibe going on. Officially, my morning starts with a cup of coffee or tea and watching the birds or the pretty field that are just by our home. However, today I also relish on the mangoes that are sent by my parents. They are raw, they are sour, but bite-sized pieces. I love how intense the taste was, and I am drooling at this point. As you all know, this is my favorite time of the year, and I could just live on with mangoes and the summer sweat. And to sit by the sun to enjoy them as much as you can. One of my other favorite fruit is called bogori. One of our neighbors' fur buddy attacked on my shoe, so here is a snap of my shoe rack that I recently got, and that's my laundry bag, which I created with jute rope and Fevicol. Speaking of Fevicol, I think it's very important to connect with nature to get attached. So once in a while I do go out and be there in the wild. I cross a few miles from our home and we stop sometime as well to cherish the journey, the mountains and the potholes. I think it's equally important to remember them for remembering where you have been and how important that place is for you now. I'm always on a lookout for plants and people, I think, who love plants. It's so easy to start a conversation with them, right? And I can totally relate with this card that is lying there with the poetry Red Wheelbarrow. Have you ever read that poem before? It was already evening and I had to take some fascinating drink and I am here sipping that unhealthy drink and then going to a South Indian restaurant for relishing on some vada and idli. It was really delicious. I could finish the whole plate. I also love how they make filter coffee, and although it was very hot, but I did manage to spend a good time my by myself enjoying that cup of filter coffee. It also reminds me of my friends with whom I used to spend time sitting by the university garden, and every day we used to sip such filter coffee. Today is the last few days of the month of Holy Ramadan, and I went to this place in Fancy Bazaar where they have these different sweet and savory dishes. These people are from Ahmedabad and they freshly prepare every day. I took some mewa halwa and a small bite size of parantha. I enjoyed it with the chickpea dal called khugni. And to finish it off with some sweet, I took this rubbery ice cream with faluda. It was really yum. The next day, I came out with one of my friends to have dinner at this place called Mocha. We took some blueberry drinks and some sort of chicken starters. I don't remember the name. And the biryani, wow, the biryani was really tasty. With lots of memories and food, my heart was full indeed. Today is Saturday and I came out again. This time it was a long ride, and we reached this place where they have this beautiful glass ceiling, and I am there standing taking snaps of it. My sister is back in the town and we visited this new café called Lush. It's a vegan cafe, but the food was delicious. Here are a few snaps from that night. Later I meet up with my friends and we had gossiped a lot that night. My friends requested me to put them on the video as well. However, due to privacy, I thought it would be wise to blur out the faces. So here's a clip of them enjoying food with me, and I enjoyed their company. There is also this childish part of me that want to visit the children's area in the mall. Look at this fur buddy. I could not stop myself from capturing this moment. It was one of my favorite part of this video. Don't you agree? And that's how the day comes to an end, with the setting sun in the foreground, me saging for it. Tell me in the comments which part did you enjoy the most, and I hope you have found this video inspiring somehow. With that note, thank you so much for staying till the end. and I'm sending you all my love. I will soon see you again. Goodbye, my dearest autumn elves.